crazy.
2-3 times we pulled over. I'm like, I was about ready to turn around.
No, honestly, same. My dad was like, "Are you sure you want to go?"
Well, we're out here, we're giving it a go. I think we're crazy for doing it, but hopefully we can get some birds and it'll all be worth it. We did just kick up probably 200-300 birds out of the field, which means they already kind of have been educated, which really sucks, but it's not all the birds, and hopefully we can get lucky and they'll come back and we'll get something out of it. But we're giving it a go, right?
I've never hunted ducks in an ice storm before, and this is an ice storm. I mean, we had semis in the ditch on the highway coming out here, and it's the day after Christmas, and it's gonna be sloppy and nasty, but what the heck? That's when you normally remember the hunts the most, is when you go through adversity. So that's what we'll be doing here, and hopefully we can get some birds to come back, like you said.
Yeah, we drove an hour to go 15 miles, but if we can get a mallard in our hands, it'll feel pretty good. So, all right, boys and girls, it's game time. Yeah, right out front, right out front, right out front.
Oh, here they come.
All right, so as we get all settled in and the ducks start flying, right off the bat, we notice a pintail. An absolute beautiful pintail. It's December 26th, and I'm not kidding you, it was 60 yards out, and you could see it had a gigantic sprig on it.
They're in there.
Don't shoot, Bo. Don't shoot. I'm gonna get that pintail. Get that pintail.
Tell me when. Now? No. Yeah, now.
Now.
Out boy, Bo. Got two.
Two. Okay, go get it quickly.
All right, let's get them.
Late season pintails, from my experience, are pretty smart, and this particular pintail was as well. Never got it closer than about 60 yards. We probably could have all taken a poke at it, but we decided not to. We were hoping for a better shot at it, and it never came.
Here they come. From up top here.
Oh yeah, they're coming back now. More coming back there.
Take them.
Oh, I got that one way out there.
Dead bird, Cal. You better go get that helicopter one.
Always gotta check for a band too, right? This is what it's all about right here. They're still up to our right, just keep clapping.
It's all you guys. Go ahead and take them if you want. Deadbird,
that
Callie,
one,
Deadbird.
Drake.
Go get him, Callie. Deadbird, go get him. Deadbird, go get him.
Well, one's better than none there.
Yeah. Yep, exactly. And there's more birds coming here, so.
Come on, Callie, get him. Good girl.
Good girl, Callie.
Right in front, right in front.
Oh, right out front, Dad. Bunch of new ducks.
Come here. Okay, go way down. Go way down. Way down. Way down. Birds coming.
Pintails in that group. Bottom group on the left.
Really?
2 Drake pintails. This back group right here out front is pintails. Watch them on the right. Yeah, we could have taken those there. Shot the head.
Deadbird. Hurry up.
Whoa!
Hurry up.
Alright, I'm in. Oh God. Holy moly. Only shoot drakes.
Deadbird, Callie. Deadbird.
That's fine. We only needed the drake there. We're good. Oh yeah, we needed all the shots we could get on it though. I think we all hit it, like barely. And then Bo finished it, I
A
think.
bunch of birds landing elsewhere in the field.
The fact that those still came in while I was running around is actually pretty crazy.
It was one of those fields where you knew you were in the right spot because no matter what, the ducks wanted in. They were going to come into this field no matter what.
A bit more out front, we got about 1,000 birds coming. No joke.
Yeah, that's it. No, that's right.
No, watch them, they're all coming.
Long way.
Whole group's coming. Dad, whole group's coming. Now they're coming. Nah, don't shoot. There's only one drake there. They're laying behind us. Could have shot that one too.
We gotta shoot. We're gonna get screwed.
Yeah, I know, Dad. It's alright. We'll get one here. Yeah, they're landing to it right. We gotta shoot. They already are, so we gotta shoot. They're landing to it right. Next bird in, shoot it. Shoot these ones. There you go. Good shot.
Deadbird.
That's right. We had to do it. They were all landing to our right over there.
Yeah, we don't.
Get back down in case we get some that get confused and come back. They're like on the deck to our left.
Yeah, they're going the other way.
They gotta be grouse or something.
Thank you, bro.
You know it's cold when the dog, my yellow lab Callie, who loves to hunt, is sitting behind me and she's groaning. And I turn around and I look and you can see icicles forming on the poor dog. I mean, it was brutal.
Couple hundred ducks here. Yeah, like 100 maybe. Watch this group on the left too.
Good shot. Yeah, bird,
Oh
Cal,
my
get him.
God, at least Bo can shoot.
God, that's the one I aimed at.
He's still
and I barely
completely
hit him.
alive. He's still completely alive right
I
there.
know, I can't believe shot so crappy on that one.
Okay, get ready, get ready. Yeah. Three. That's
or
good.
4?
3.
Oh, there's another one there. 4, boom.
Okay, get that drake that's running. Good girl, Callie. Callie's getting the drake that's running there.
You know, it was so cool. We just saw tornadoes after tornadoes of mallards and a few pintails, and I think we saw a widgeon or two as well. But it was something that resembled, you know, something you would see earlier in the year. And for it to be the day after Christmas in North Dakota, it was really cool.
4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14. Holy moly. You hear him doing the feeder call? Oh my God, look over there. Look to your left eye, they're all gonna come in here. Bo, they're coming, get down, get down. They're dropping in on you. Just jump in, Let's wait for a good clean one we can both see. That's alright. They're coming right over. Yeah, it's a drake, right? Yeah, we can. That's alright. I don't know which one to shoot there, you know. I don't know.
Oh, drake right there.
Too late.
Drakes right there. On the right. You shoot this one?
Is it a drake?
Yeah.
Okay, you say one. Okay, now.
I'll take him.
Yes, sir.
I'll get him.
That's a limit, Bo.
Good shot, guys. Good shot. All right, let's see if we can get a pintail or something now. Look at these guys still want to come in. These guys are still coming in. Hey, have you ever seen them where they wanted a field more?
Where we're just standing up. Unreal.
Yeah, I had no idea. I took Callie all the way out where I thought that one was. And
Those birds were all just standing up or coming in. They're still coming. Let's just sit down
Well,
and.
you bloodied him up.
But how about that woman, huh, Dad?
Yeah, never had a limit of mallards this late, for sure. Never.
You know, I've shot ducks late in the year before. I know in Montana, you know, we've shot ducks in the middle of January, but in North Dakota, field hunting, I had never gotten a limit before. So it was pretty special that we got a limit, and we got a limit pretty quickly that late in the year.
Almost pulled the plug too about 2-3 times there.
I'm not kidding you, Bo. About 2-3 times we pulled over. I'm like, I was about ready to turn around.
no, honestly, same. My dad was like, "Are you sure you want to go?" And then driving down the gravel road, I almost at the roundabout. I almost turned around. and was like, "Nope, I'm not doing it."
Yeah.
But then like, screw it. This is gonna be the last time I'm gonna get to hunt all year. So
Here we go again. Oh, I'm gonna give him the widgeon and pintail call and see if I can get one. I'll hit him with the pintail call now. Those are pintails, I think. They look like it.
They're high and they're way over to the left there.
That's so cool.
You know, we decided to go hunting the day after Christmas, which is never very popular with your family, but you and I knew that we had something special. We had an area that had been holding ducks where virtually everybody thought they had left. They were keeping open this small little stream, and we knew that they wanted this cornfield. And despite the fact that, you know, it was raining ice, we took a shot and went for it.
We're gonna land here. Oh my God. You don't care, do you? You're cold. Good girl, Callie pup.
But there was a little voice in my head that kept saying, you need to go. You should go. This is going to be something special. And from previous times where that little voice has popped in, it's turned out to be true.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kelly, I hear a rooster.
Well, boys and girls, there it is. Limited out. How incredible is that? We didn't think we were going to be here. We tried to pull the plug like 3 different times on the way here to saying, I don't think so. It's semis in the ditch, cars in the ditch, birds already feeding by the time we got here. But hey, you just keep going. You just go anyway. You do what you gotta do, and the limits reward you. It's hard to beat that. When you work hard for something and it pays off, not a better feeling than that one right there. What an amazing hunt. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And we definitely aren't gonna forget that one. And I hope you guys really did enjoy it, because man, that was awesome. That looks pretty good there.
Sweet. Thank you.
Yep.